Welcome back to Gull Info4U, your own psychology content channel, and this time we are coming with the part 2 of motivation and types of motivation. Let's start with motivation once again. Motivation is defined as the desire and action towards goal-directed behavior. This is an important concept in psychology as well as in the business, schools, and other areas of life. For example, we want our children to behave and do their homework. Down towards the types of motives. Basically, there are two types of motives that are essential for the proper human functioning, such as primary, unlearned physiological or biological motives are the basic motives, whereas the secondary, learned psychological or sociogenic motives are motives. More about secondary motives. The definition that is known as the psychosocial motives because they involve people appreciation in order to live successfully in any society. More about secondary motives. Secondary or learned or psychological motives. Besides the biological needs, the expression of psychological needs is also of great significance through society and culture in which we live. Non-satisfaction of these motives may lead to mental distress, mental illness, or frustrations. Secondary motives, if we talk about the main types, it could be achievement, curiosity, need for appraisal, need for affiliation, need for power, and work as motive also considered. Talking in details, first is achievement. The definition of an achievement is something that is accomplished, particularly by great effort, courage, or special skills. Moving quickly up to the ladder at the prestige company is an example of achievement. Number 2 is curiosity. Every human being has curiosity. Curiosity is a strong desire to know or learn, having an interest in a person, thing, or experience that leads to making an inquiry. Next is need for appraisal. Appraisals are central both to human resource management and performance management. The second purpose of an appraisal is to identify any training needs and, if appropriate, to provide training and development to enable an individual to help organization to achieve its objective. Need for affiliation. Human beings differ from each other in how much they like to associate with other people. A person with a high need for affiliation is so motivated to build and maintain relationship with other people that may of his or her thoughts, emotions, and actions are directed towards fulfilling this motivation. Need for power is the next one in secondary motives. The need for power is defined as the desire to have an impact on or influence another person or his situation. Those high in need for power have a strong concern for reputation and engage in activities that are highly visible and designed to garner prestige. The last is work as motive in secondary motives. The desire or willingness to make an effort is one's work. Motivating factors may include salary and other benefits, desires for status and recognition, a sense of achievement, relationship with colleagues, and a feeling that one's work is useful for or important. It was a brief about secondary motives. You are watching Gull Info4U, a dedicated psychology channel, and this video is best suitable for Pakistani students studying medical and social sciences, and whereas psychology is major or minor part of the content, syllabus, or outline your course schemes. Keep subscribing, keep sharing Gull Info4U.